Now we have to mention the status. The status literally means, we'll just mention heading first. Status means that based on a certain criteria, we have to define whether a student is pass or fail. Let's suppose if I have given you the papers to check, you will reply me back, well, I don't know how to check the papers because you haven't tell me any criteria. So what I will mention at that point is, see, if the student has greater than 50%, then he is pass, otherwise he is fail. So Excel is simple enough. What you have just said, write it in a formula. Equals to if this cell is greater than 50%, then we will mention comma for then, inverted commas, because we have to mention pass, fail, all the answers we want to print under inverted commas. Then he is pass, otherwise we will mention comma for otherwise, he is fail, inverted commas close, and enter. There you have the result. If I double click to send it down, you can see that some of the students are pass, well, most of the students, and some of the other students are fail. So we will check it randomly whether it's okay. All right. Now if I try to mention 47.2%, instead of 47.2, I will mention 50. So what should be the answer? Pass or fail? He should be pass, but when I enter, he still fail because you haven't provided the correct logic. You have just said that if the student has greater than 50%, then he is pass, otherwise he is fail. So, it's calculating accordingly. It is your mistake that you have mentioned the formula incorrectly. So we can just change that. Whenever you make the changes, you have to go to the first cell, just double click on that, and then you can write greater than or equals to. Greater than, after that you will mention equals to and enter. Double click to send it down, and then we will review this again. 50%. Okay, it seems fine, but it's not calculated according to the formula. So what I will do is just drag the formula which we have above to all the other cells. Double click to send it down. So that's about it. These are some basic logic of if-then criterias.